Crypto billionaire 69 back with another. I gotta redo that intro. That was horrible. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. It is 2:07 a.m. My friends, I scheduled a FaceTime with my girlfriend at 8 today, and I canceled it to work on the course for you guys. So, love me, love me. Alright, let's get straight into the technical analysis. Right now, I have 2 cups of coffee in me, and it's 2:07 in the morning, and I'm looking at these charts, and I'm thinking, holy crap, we are going to make a lot of money in these markets. And I will show you guys exactly why. What's going on? Price action. So, if you guys have been following along, watching the videos, then you would know, and you would know darn tootin' well, that this is a very good sign, because what did we say in the last video? If you haven't watched it, first of all, you're a loser. You should definitely hit that subscribe button. But if you haven't watched it, I'll go over it right now. So, the last video, I said, this is what we should look out for. We need to watch out for a pullback. And then if it does pull back, we want to see it create a wick moving higher. But we didn't even see a pullback. It kept showing big green buying power, overbearing the 12s exactly like we wanted it to do. And it did exactly that. Now it is holding around these 1165 areas, okay? We need to watch for a little pullback at this moment because it could very well be faking us out here, and it could come back down to these 1136s, all right? We need to watch for that. However, if this, in the next couple 4 to 8 hours, continues to show this bull flag formation, then if it breaks out of this trend line and holds support above, we will be moving higher to the upside. Now this trend line, this is just an indication that it has broken the support, but we do need to break above this 1198.12 level to be specific, and close above it, showing strong signs of upward trend within the next day. And in order for us to be testing these 1250 levels, that's our next point. It's our next stop, my friends. We are fueling up the rocket. News is great. Everything's looking beautiful. The charts, we're still in accumulation phase. All right. Now, my apologies, guys. I haven't been cracking down on the crypto YouTube channel. I've been focusing on the course a lot lately, along with my separate other YouTube channels, just kind of like rearranging business over there. Like I said, I started this channel not for you guys, but for me to track my own trades, and you guys find value out of this in-depth technical analysis. And I'm just here to, clarify things for all of you guys that are reaching out. So, for all you new people, my name is Crypto Billionaire 69. I am 19 years old, and I make 5 figures a month trading cryptocurrency. Now, I do live with my parents. That's why I'm kind of keeping it down right now. Gotta save up, be smart with the money. However, this is what we are looking at in the overall markets. This is a beautiful coin to be investing in at this moment because it is over 1/50th the size of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. And the growth potential on this bad boy is monstrous, 50x type things we are going to be seeing within the next year to 2 years, depending on how long this bull cycle lasts. We're only half of this bull cycle right now in the overall market. So within the next few months, we should be seeing a nice juicy 10 to 20x on this coin. 20x is somewhat pushing it. However, a 10x is very, very reasonable. 10x meaning if you put in $1 now, you will get $10 out if you use technical analysis and average out when you are supposed to. All right, a 10x meaning we get in, and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. We get in here, we sell out here, then we buy back in here, accumulate, and then as it pumps again, it will pump way more than this. This next time, as it pumps again, we will accumulate again, and just not accumulate, we will sell, make our money, and then accumulate more bags as on the drop. It's just that easy, that simple. And I'm here to help you guys along the way. All right, that's the mindset of where we're going. If you zoom out and you just look at this overall chart, we're at under $1 billion market cap. Once this thing gains traction, starts getting listed on exchanges, they're gonna see the name, the ticker symbol. It is going up drastically. All right, this is what we need to expect for a minor move to the upside. We need to expect a nice move to the 33s, 70. This is some price prediction action right here, okay? I haven't done this in the previous videos, but it's okay. You know why? Because I love you guys. And I want to teach you guys all this information so you know how to trade in these freaking markets. All right, let's get it. So, from this current point, this is our next level of resistance once we break this high, all right? This 33.50 level, we want to watch it because as it breaks higher, we want to see if it breaks through or comes back down to retrace, all right? And depending on how the overall market is looking at the time, we will make a wonderful decision on what the best move would be. If it continues higher, that means it is very good if we are getting listed on new exchanges and new parts of the project are coming out. However, if we are moving higher and no new status updates, news, exchange listings, nothing new is happening in the coin, then this is a point where we need to start averaging out, okay? All right. Sneak peek into some of the course videos if you guys are interested in that. Actually, let me just do let me give you guys a little background, okay? The course, I started making it because a lot of you guys were reaching out, just asking me so many questions on how to trade crypto, how do you read resistance, how do you read candlesticks, how do you know when to get in on the best times, how do you know when to scale out, how can you just read a chart by glancing at it like I can. And I just, instead of, emailing everyone individually, I was like, I'm just going to make a course. It'll make it easier on me, first of all, make it easier on you guys, which is the best of all, and we will all make money. If you're interested, 50% off, Christmas special. And I am really pushing this during Christmas because I want you guys to get it while it's 50% off because it's invaluable. It will change your investing future, and the mindset is most important of how you invest your money in these markets or any markets you decide to do. Anyways, technical analysis, we are consolidating at a nice level right now. We'll pull out the fib level in this nice little bull upward movement we saw here. Now this is great. Just down to the level I said we're going to retrace. That's where the 0.5 level is. That will be very, very nice to see. We are following these fib levels extremely well. This is called a Fibonacci retracement. All it does is show the likely points of support and resistance in an overall upward trend. Now, only the big people, only the big money players use these type of, not only, but they use these indicators in order to know when to buy in and when to sell out. Now, the difference between it's 2 a.m. guys, give me a break. The difference between the retail traders using this and the big money players is simply the mindset. And if you guys watch these videos, you will slowly get into the mindset because I describe what the big money's thinking here, what the big money's thinking when it drops, and it varies based on the news, the market sentiment, crypto fear and greed index, and the overall how it's looking in the previous support levels, resistance levels. So guys, it's beautiful, and once you get to know it, you guys can catch on. I know you can. This is not hard stuff. All right. If you passed algebra in high school, you can do this extremely easy. So yeah. Anyways, back to the in-depth technical analysis. We are showing resistance along this 0.382 level. We should expect a retracement down to this 1144. That is very healthy before our next move higher. However, if it does break through this 1191 level, I'm not complaining at all because I have been averaging in, and all of you mother truckers in the Patreon are making so much money right now. It is making me so happy, honestly. One of you guys turned $2,500 into $41,000, and they sent me a screenshot. I could pull it up, but it's on my phone. I gotta airdrop it. But holy crow. Anyways, congratulations, my friend. That was in under a week, all right? That was in under a week. And it's not even the number amount, it's the percentage that they made based on simple technical analysis. That was in a small cap coin. It wasn't in Dogelon Mars. But anyways, 382 level, we were hitting it. All right, I'm just repeating the information. I'm very, very tired. I'm going to hit the hay and go meditate a little bit, brainstorm up some good content for you guys. I'm probably just going to go sleep. Crypto Billionaire 69 is tired, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, baby.